if you're really frustrated with how your team are operating, there's three things that I would like you to think about. One, provide what is the context? Why are they doing the things that you're asking them to do? The second key part is, well, why is that important for them to do what they're doing? And the third part is, how important is it? Make sure that if you think it's a 10 out of 10 in importance and it's something that needs to be done every day or every week at a specific time, make sure that your team actually understand that level of importance. The worst thing is if somebody thinks it's a 6 and you think it's a 10, it's going to be terribly frustrating. What I found is that when you take the time to put in context what people need to do, what you're asking them to do and why, then the chances of them doing that rapidly skyrocket. So if you're looking to get high performance out of your team, make sure you give them the context, make sure they understand the why, and make sure they understand the importance.